In this video, we will learn how to install Shadcn Studio Figma plugin in Figma project and some basic setup. Let's get started. Before start to install Figma plugin, I will suggest you open our documentation so you will get all the ideas regarding our plugin. Simply go to shadcnstudio.com, navigate resources and click on the Pro documentation. After you will arrive, simply go scroll down and click onto the Shadcn Studio Figma plugin and scroll down. Let's start with the getting started. If you don't have created a Figma account, make sure create with your email address and a validate key for your plugin and API key for your supported AI provider. I will explain you how to insert a license key and API key in plugin. Let's start with the installation. There are two options to use Figma app. One is a browser and the second is a desktop app. We always suggest a user to use a desktop app for the better performance and speed. So let's jump into the Figma app. So here Figma interface, just go to the plugin section and click on the plugin and widget and find Shadcn Studio and you will find the Shadcn Studio Figma plugin. Click on it. Here is the interface of our plugin. Just click into plugin setting. First of all, enter email address. Make sure enter email address that you have used for the purchase license. And then enter license key. And then simply click on verify license. Now your license key is verified. For API key setup, click again on plugin setting. Select your favorite LLM model. I have used Claude Sonnet 4.5 as of now and enter your API key. Click on verify API key. It will take some time to verify and now the plugin is ready to use. In next video, we will learn how to generate a Shadcn code with the plugin.